Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome browser in your mobile phone. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon as well. So let's start our video. First of all, make sure that your Google Chrome browser is updated to the latest version from Play Store. As you can see that my Google Chrome browser is updated. So I will open this and you'll have to write Chrome/flags in search bar. Okay, will redirect you to the experimental feature of Google Chrome browser, and from here you will have to search a flag. You will have to write dark mode in search bar. Okay, you'll have some options here, and what you need to do is you'll have to enable Android Chrome UI dark mode. Okay, this is disabled by default, so you'll have to enable this and relaunch your Google Chrome browser. Okay, now go to settings and scroll down, and here themes, you'll have to open themes, and now you can see that here are options light, dark and system default. You'll have to select dark, so it's dark mode and you can use your Google Chrome browser in dark mode. So that's how you can enable your dark mode in your Google Chrome browser.